to the poem The Heart of the Tree, written by Henry Siler Bunner or H.C. Bunner. Title. The title of Henry Siler Bunner's poems is apparently very simple. The poet wants to hail the trees for their usefulness in keeping life on earth. The poem refers to the heart of a tree. What kind of heart it possesses? It is kind, generous. It blesses all those who takes care of it, or even who neglect it. About the poet. Henry Siler Bunner was born on August 3, 1855 in New York and died on May 11, 1896. Notable works: Tower of Babel, Airs from Arcady, Elsewhere, Ruin and Poems. Theme of the poem. The poem highlights the need of planting trees. The tree proves to be large-hearted as it benefits all. It is a friend of sun and sky. It creates beauty around. It shelters birds which delight us with their croakings in the evening. One who plants a tree ensures cool shade in the summer and gentle rain. Poetic devices. Hypophora. The technique of posing a question and immediately following it with an answer is known as hypophora. Example: in the beginning of every stanza, the poet also asks a question. What does he plants who plants a tree? Personification. He plants a friend of the sun and sky. Metaphor. He plants the flag of breezes free, the shaft of beauty towering high. Anaphora. He plants a friend of the sun and sky. He plants the flag of breezes free. He plants a home to heaven and I, and seed and bud and days to be, and years that fade and flush again. Alliteration. What does he plants who plants a tree? He plants a friend of the sun and sky. He plants a home to heaven and I, in hushed and happy twilight heard the treble of heaven's harmony, and years that fade and flush again. Rhyming scheme. A B A B B C C A A. Long question. The question is, what is the central idea of the poem The Heart of the Tree? Answer. The central idea of the poem revolves around 2 points. The poet has explicitly described the importance of trees for our survival. At the same time, he mentions the concern regarding the future of Mother Earth. He has used a practical, philosophical and emotional approach in order to make a person realize the importance of trees. The poet knows the crucial importance of trees for our survival. They bring rain, cool the atmosphere, take in CO2 and give out oxygen for human beings to inhale. They also help in the process of transpiration and in other major essential processes. They bear flower and fruits. The seeds from these fruits can be used as to plants new plants again. This lays the foundation of the process of regeneration. The plants provide us with essential nutrients for our body. It is main source of medicine. Therefore, the poet indirectly requests all human beings to plant trees for the well-being of society and citizens. He also mentions that a tree plantation is a blessing on the neighborhood. According to poet, our survival is greatly dependent on forests. Trees not only beautify the environments but also purify the air and provide us with wood, timber and fruits. The one who plants a tree plants an entire forest. Without trees, the world will become a deserted barren land. The entire animal race would face hunger. Thus, it is important that we understand our responsibility and help in the growth of mankind by planting trees. Thus, the central idea of the poem is about the noble deed that a person performs when he plants a tree. Thank you, friends.